If you don't like waiting for upgrades but still crave the latest tech, then the iPhone 18 Pro Max is about to make your year. First up, AI. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is rumored to pack a brand new A20 Pro chip, built on a super efficient 2-nanometer process. Translation? Lightning-fast AI abilities right on your phone, not the cloud. Whether it's smarter photos, voice commands, or battery-saving tricks, Apple Intelligence is about to become your new best friend. And check this out. A variable aperture camera is coming. Think pro-level depth and brightness control, without lugging around a DSLR. Plus, Apple might finally ditch Sony for Samsung's crazy fast sensors. Say goodbye to blurry night shots. The dynamic island is shrinking, and Face ID is moving under the display, so you'll get even more screen. And for explorers, full 5G satellite internet, maybe using Starlink? No signal? No problem. Oh, and Apple's new C2 modem promises speedier connections, wrapped in fresh colors like coffee, purple, and burgundy. The future? It's looking seriously sharp.